Welcome back to another video. Dustin here from the Gravity team. Are you struggling with spam form entries? Gravity Forms has a handy built-in Honeypot feature that lets you block spam on your site without requiring any input from your users. When the Honeypot option is enabled on your form, a hidden field will be added to the form that only spam bots will see. If a form is submitted with this field filled in, the entry will be marked as spam. Let's dive in and take a quick look at how to enable the Honeypot field for your forms. Open up your WordPress dashboard, then head to the form settings for the form you'd like to add the Honeypot to. Under Form Options, you can use the toggle to enable the anti-spam Honeypot technique. You'll then want to configure what happens when the Honeypot field flags a submission as spam. You can set Gravity Forms to ignore that submission entirely and not create an entry, or create an entry and mark it as spam. Then save your settings, and the Honeypot field will be enabled for your form. If you opted to create an entry when a submission is flagged as spam, you'll be able to review these submissions by going to your form's entries page and selecting spam. From here, you can review the entry details page, mark the entry as not spam, or permanently delete it. There's also a handy delete all spam button that you can use to bulk delete all of your spam entries. Just be sure to note that deleted entries are permanently gone and cannot be restored. The Honeypot field is a great way to fight spam without affecting the user experience. And if you're looking for more ways to fight spam, check out our other videos on the topic, linked below. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.